What's up guys, this is Alex for TVape TV. Solid choice getting the Pulsar APX Vape. Let's go over some quick cleaning tips to ensure you get tasty vapor with this unit every time. First, we'll go over the materials you'll need, then we'll get into cleaning and maintenance. Before you start cleaning your Pulsar APX Vape, make sure you have the Zeus Purify cleaning solution diluted 40% with water, fresh water, paper towels, Zeus grime sticks, and Zeus bristle pipe cleaners. The APX Vape is really easy to clean. All you need to do is care for the heating chamber and the mouthpiece. To clean the heating chamber, take a Zeus grime stick, snap the top, let the alcohol drain to the bottom, and swab the inside. To ensure no alcohol particles are left behind, after letting it sit for a few minutes, turn the unit on, set it to the highest heat setting, and let it run through a couple of cycles. To clean the mouthpiece, first separate it into two pieces. Then soak these pieces in a jar of your diluted Zeus Purify solution for about half an hour. Then use the Zeus bristle pipe cleaners to dislodge any remaining particles. Next, rinse and towel dry. For best care, we recommend that you brush out your heating chamber after each use with a Zeus bristle pipe cleaner. This will help get out any extra particles and prep your APX Vape for your next session. And that's it! We hope you enjoy your APX Vape and thanks for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. I'm Alex, and as always, keep vaping.